And when you dip in glue, only dip a little bit like this, okay? I'm gonna do it one more time. So with the bootleg tweezer, you cannot do the wiggle technique. You can only lift it up, manipulating the lashes like this, and then go behind it to pick it up. Dip just a tiny bit, otherwise the glue will shoot up and you will lose your fan. The fan becomes so skinny and they don't fan out anymore. With the bootleg tweezer, there's also another technique. You lift up the lashes halfway, okay? You're gonna use the tip of the tweezer and gently manipulating the very base of the lashes, like right here. You see it already came out. You're gonna go behind and pick them up and dip. Remember, just a little. One more time. Pick up halfway. Go at the very base, manipulating them, and then go behind and pick them up.